Hey everyone, I'm here today to share a story that's both heroic and heart-wrenching, a real-life drama of survival and loss in the skies. You know, when we watch movies or see clips of fighter pilots, it all seems so thrilling and glamorous. But behind those high-speed jets and sharp uniforms lies a reality that's harsh and at times perilous. Let's talk about the technology first, the ejection seat. It's not just a chair, but a lifesaver, literally. This marvel of engineering is designed to blast a pilot out of a plane in milliseconds during an emergency. Imagine the force needed to eject someone clear of a speeding jet. It's like being catapulted with the force of a small explosion. Yet, despite this violent method of escape, ejection seats have saved countless lives, boasting a survival rate of around 90%. But, not all stories have a happy ending. Recently, a tragic incident unfolded when an Air Force pilot had to eject from his jet. Unfortunately, the seat malfunctioned, leading to fatal consequences. The pilot, whose bravery and service we honor, was forced to make a split-second decision to eject when his aircraft failed. That decision, which should have saved his life, ended it due to a rare but catastrophic malfunction. Now, you might be wondering, how does an ejection seat work? Well, it's equipped with rockets and complex mechanisms designed to shoot the seat and pilot upwards, followed by the deployment of parachutes to ensure a controlled descent. However, this process subjects the pilot's body to extreme forces, often leading to injuries like spinal fractures. Yet these are injuries most are willing to endure for a shot at survival. But let's not forget the human aspect. Behind the statistics and technology are people with families, dreams, and fears. The decision to eject is one no pilot takes lightly. It's a split-second judgment where they put their life in the hands of technology. And when that technology fails, the consequences are not just statistical. They're personal, they're devastating. As we reflect on this story, it's crucial to appreciate the brave men and women who fly these incredible machines. Their courage is undeniable, and their sacrifices should not go unnoticed. The ongoing advancements in ejection seat technology are a testament to our commitment to their safety, ensuring that this crucial last resort is as reliable as humanly possible. Thank you for listening, and remember to honor those who risk their lives daily to protect ours. Until next time, stay safe and stay inspired. And